The full load adjusting screw of the V injection pump can be understood as the master switch controlling the engine's maximum output power when the accelerator is fully depressed and when the vehicle is under load. It is often known as the maximum fuel supply adjusting screw or total fuel supply adjusting screw. The core function of this screw is controlling the maximum fuel supply. This screw determines the maximum amount of fuel the injection pump can supply to the engine when the accelerator pedal is fully depressed. By adjusting it, the engine's maximum power and torque can be controlled. Adjustment of the full load screw is done only on an injection pump test bench to achieve precise control. If you tighten the screw, if you turn it clockwise, it will increase fuel supply. And when you loosen the screw, turning it counterclockwise, this will decrease the maximum fuel supply. Before adjustment, the lock nut must be loosened, and after the adjustment, it must be retightened and marked with varnish to prevent it loosening. This is a very decisive screw that will determine the maximum fuel supply, the maximum engine power as well. And don't adjust it arbitrarily. The fuel supply must strictly adhere to the engine's technical specification or tuning card. Excessive adjustment would lead to incomplete combustion, black smoke, increased fuel consumption, and even engine damage due to power overload. Insufficient adjustment, however, will result in insufficient power. It must be used with the speed governor. If it is just a routine check and you notice black smoke from the engine or insufficient power, you should give priority to external components such as air filter, turbocharger, and you should not easily attempt to adjust this screw. Even on some injection pumps, there is a cover that prevents the access of the full load adjusting screw. Authorized individual can take it off and do the adjustment.